Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Excel app and signing in so your files sync. Once done, open an existing workbook or tap New to create one. Choose Portrait or Landscape for easier cells. Make sure Auto-Save is on so you don't lose edits, and turn on headers to find rows and columns quickly. You'll use touch gestures, tap, long press, pinch, to select cells. Practice selecting Arrange now because efficient selection speeds everything up later. You tap a cell to enter data. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice dictation for hands-free input. Once you have values, type equals then the formula name like SUM or average, select ranges with touch, and press Enter. This calculates instantly. Make use of autofill by dragging the fill handle to copy formulas or create sequences. Also format cells to number, currency, or percent so results display clearly. And adjust column width by dragging the header edge to prevent truncation. You now review and validate the sheet by applying filters and sorting to spot anomalies. Once satisfied, tap Share to send a link or export as PDF or XLSX and set Edit or View permissions to control access. If values look wrong, use Evaluate Formula or tap a cell to inspect ranges and references. Incorrect ranges cause most errors. Make sure calculation is set to automatic. If not, force recalculation. Finally, save a copy before major changes so you can recover if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.